Well, hello there. This is going to be the first video, for plant and soil class. Little weird without all of you guys around to make things as crazy as humanly possible. Um, gonna miss the Lauren's ability to make productivity die just on the vine right there. It's dead. Gonna miss Alan. I'm trying to keep the crop alive, Alan. But there's really no guarantees at this point. You guys are gonna have some kind of interesting um, projects, things to do. If you do any farming, any gardening, any uh, basically anything to do with plants, send it to me. And, I've talked to the administration and they will give you credit for that. So if you are doing some of that, that's probably more than we can teach you. Your first assignment that I have is more on chemical labels. And all it's going to be is you grabbing something from your house, some sort of chemical of some sort, and finding out exactly one, what's in it, what's the active ingredients, all of those things. But it's kind of spelled out on the sheet. You're going to be looking for words, though, kind of your caution words, things like that. So it might say hazard, you know, then you kind of know where that is. But it's going to that's just going to walk you through that. It should say how it's applied, all of those things. But it's all spelled out on Google Classroom. Let me know, shoot me an email or text or something if if you have any problems as far as technology wise. My cell phone number, I guess I'll put that on there, is 785-770-2612. So if you have anything, you can shoot me a text, do something like that. I'm probably going to be trying to figure out how to teach it. It's kind of a brave new world. We, as teachers, we really don't know. This is kind of a new thing for us as well. It's going to be interesting to see. I'm going to give you guys a decent amount of time to do it because I know with your core classes, you're supposed to be, in class working 3 hours a day or so is what the head of Kansas Department of Education said. My guess is after your core classes, you're not going to have a lot of time. So I'm going to give you guys a decent amount of time with ours. But other than that, I think, we've got, you guys have a good class. You guys were a lot of fun. And we're going to continue to work, continue to learn, and continue to get better because life's about choices, kind of what I sent out. Really, we did not choose this. This is an event that happened to us, but how we respond to it, we can either grow and get better, or, it'll be one of those deals where it's going to kill you. And that, you don't want to not grow through something like this. As a matter of fact, this could be a time of immense growth, not only for you guys, but for us as teachers as well. So that pretty much the first video. I guess I should have mentioned to everybody. Royer, I'm going to miss you talking about your 9 toes. Not sure what that's about. But Josh, your random comments or, saying, yeah, knew that. That'll be fun. So I always enjoy that. A little bit of enthusiasm. Technology-wise, I know that we should be able to handle that part. And Wilkerson and, busting curves, just saying, boom, I'm going to get this 100% right. And then, of course, the great and loyal Cade Wilkie. I'm going to miss seeing your face as, Lauren probably touches you inappropriately. It's, kind of a tough deal, but I think we'll get through it. All right, well, signing off on this one. Sorry, this was a little long.